Summer's bird nests come in all sizes and shapes. Nearly 750 different kinds of birds nest in North America, each kind in its own way. Lots of them nest in trees, of course, but cliff swallows build nests of mud on the sides of barns. In deserts, woodpeckers dig holes in cactus. Kingfishers dig holes in riverbanks. Along the coasts, terns nest on beaches in huge groups called colonies. Amidst all this noise and activity, each parent knows exactly which eggs or young are its own. Birds even nest above the Arctic Circle, where no trees grow for hundreds of miles. Here they might sometimes wonder if they'll ever get to sleep, because on certain days, the sun doesn't set. Closer to home, some birds, such as this killdeer, face a surprising challenge. On hot days, they may have to keep their eggs cool. The developing embryos, or babies inside the eggs, can get overheated by the strong sun. The adult killdeer wet their belly feathers at a nearby pond and use the water to cool the eggs. When hatched, the eggs of killdeer and certain other birds, such as ducks and quail, produce well-developed young. These young can leave the nest and feed themselves within a day or so of hatching. They still need their mother, though, for protection and for brooding under her warm feathers. Many kinds of birds hatch blind, naked, and helpless. These young spend little time developing in the egg. Instead, they stay in a nest and grow there, with lots of help from their parents.